Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do a personal box of 2017 Tier 1 baseball for Chops. He wanted Braden to pull it, so we brought him in here and let him pick a box, and he picked number 10. So, let's see if he did well. Good luck, good luck. Let me pull this. Just wait. We got 331 of 331. Alex Bregman, jersey card. Well, you got an extra hit. Extra hit. We've got 216 of 331. Jake Arrieta, pinstripe jersey card. The Cubbies. We've got Danny Duffy, 15 of 300. Auto. And 134 of 140. Rookie card Jacoby Jones auto for the Tigers. All right, Chops, that is your personal. Thank you, thank you. Not the best box in the world. I think he was more worried about getting outside. He's a little bummed out at Braden. I think Braden's mind was on fireworks. No problem. Thank you, Chops. Thank you as always. So let me shut that